Did you know there are free AI tools that outshine the pricey ones? Stick around and see the top picks that won't break the bank. First up is ChatGPT Free. It offers the same conversational power as the paid plan. Just sign up, type your prompt, and get instant answers. No subscription fee, no hidden costs. Next, look at DALL-E Mini. This image generator rivals paid AI art tools. Upload a prompt, tweak the style, and download high-resolution images for free. It's perfect for quick graphics and design concepts. Then there's Lobe. It lets you build custom machine learning models without coding. Drag and drop your data, train, and export. It matches paid platforms like Azure ML, but it's entirely free. Another gem is Descript's free version. It transcribes audio, edits videos, and even creates overdubs. The paid tier adds more features, but the free plan covers most everyday needs. Finally, explore Google Colab. It gives you free GPU access for deep learning projects. Run Jupyter notebooks, experiment with neural networks, and share your work all without paying anything. All these tools are accessible, user-friendly, and free. They give you the same core functionalities as their expensive counterparts. So if you're looking to save money without sacrificing quality, give these tools a try. They're ready to use right now. Like and subscribe for more AI tools every day.